interesting hooks, left hooks, right hooks, getting around the guard. He's got decent straight right hand when he wants to use it too.
There's a left hook by the champion.
tszyu
Stiff jab and right hand by tszyu.
tszyu already starting to walk Murtazaliev down.
Murtazaliev has 6 first-round knockouts. tszyu has 4.
They are testing the waters early and loading up behind these shots.
tszyu is trying to make a statement. You might throw more punches, but I got more power.
Uppercut by Murtazaliev. And the right hand.
Good work for the champion here late in the round.
He sticks the jab to the stomach of tszyu.
Ten seconds, Jimmy, 10 seconds.
Look at that pressure. That's the pressure I was talking about in the strategy for tszyu. You can expect to see that all night.
Watch this right here. Делай дакс. Останавливайся. Дыхало.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Дыхание восстанавливай. Watch his right here. Больше walk, don't stairs. Животиком, в животик, по печени. И сразу защитное движение. Не застаивайся долго. Иди jab.
Take a look back at what we saw in round 1. You see the heads clashing there as tszyu landed the left hook to the body. Looks more like an abrasion, if anything, on the forehead of tszyu.
Mark Gambin, who was his cut man in the Fundora fight and has been his cut man for his career, not here. He had an inflamed appendix, had emergency surgery, so Joe Kiambo is tszyu's cut man for the night. Joe Kiambo out of New York City. A really good cut man. And again, both of these men throwing big left. There's a right hand by the champion. Right on the button. So far, both men showing a stiff beard, taking big shots. tszyu unloads the right hand. And a left hook that drops tszyu.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Up over there. There you go, champ. All right, baby, let's do it.
Been down for the 3rd time in his career. And he tries to hold on.
A lot of round to go. 2 more minutes.
There's a short uppercut by the champion.
When 2 men don't want to step back.
tszyu still wobbly. Look at his legs.
Needs to pick those hands up. He's standing there.
There's a body shot by the champ.
tszyu is looking to get this knockdown back right now with that right hand.
There's a right hand by tszyu. But still on wobbly legs. That left hook drops him.
He needs to stay down. He doesn't need to get back on the feet so fast.
6, 7, 8. Walk over there. Come back to me. Okay, champ.
The champion unbeaten. Trying to stop and make a statement against tszyu. He's dropped him twice.
2 knockdowns in 2.
There's a good exchange. tszyu the wobbly legs. Under a minute left here in round 2. tszyu connects with a right hand.
tszyu doesn't know any other way but to go forward in these situations. To this crowd.
Left hook by the champion. A Double left hook. Zhu's wobbly. He's trying to hold on. Another right hand. A left.
The legs are gone. I do not know how he's still
And
standing
he's
up.
down.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Look at the look in Zhu's eyes.
Okay, you ready to go? Hey, pay attention. All right.
Saved by the bell.
Wow.
As he wobbles to his corner.
You gotta protect yourself, okay, baby?
Восстанавливайся.
Yes.
Тим, надо просто боксировать. Слышишь? Знаешь, где ты?
I can hear the corner. I cannot hear him.
Восстанавливайся. Надо двигаться. Просто еще раунд. Не махайся с ним.
Move around.
Просто двигайся по рингу. Восстановись.
I just want you to move
3
around.
knockdowns in the second round, BC.
It started with a left hook for the champion. They were throwing often at the same time, but Murtazaliev was beating Zhu to the punch. We talked about the volume style of the champion. He's showing in this round two. He's also got that pop. There was the second knockdown and the continued pressure, basically until the final bell. Can tszyu survive the onslaught?
They've called the doctor in to take another look at tszyu. He gives him the okay.
tszyu has a bad habit of trying to throw a big punch and then just standing there and looking at his work.
He's also not setting up his right hands at all. He's just looking to throw at the same time as Murtazaliev. And it hasn't worked out for him as he's in a deep hole here in round three.
There's a left hook by the champion.
There goes those hooks around the guard that I talked about in the first round. Stylistically, Bachram throws these awkward punches. tszyu trying to tighten up his guard.
That's it.
There's a body shot by Zhu. You look at the power punches. Murtazaliev threw 87 of them in the last round. And that right hand. Another right to the top of the head of Zhu.
Little short left hook on the inside. These hooks are designed to get around the guard.
Zhu still pressuring, but he's not
Oh, he got dropped with that left hook!
It's the same.
5, 6, 7, 8. Walk over there. Do one more time. Fight's over. Come on.
Chris Young says one more time, this fight's over. The champ is trying to turn the lights out on tszyu. And the towel goes in. It's over.